This past summer, Butler's Starbucks underwent a 3-month-long construction to both the dining room and storefront. I sat down with both an employee and student from last year to get their thoughts on the recent renovations.
New machines, new floors. Let me see. We got a new shelf for our food. We have a lot more freezers now than what we did before. They put in new walls. They put in, let's see, like I said, new machines. All the machines are new. Espresso machines, ice machines. We actually got an extra ice machine, and we also got more sinks as well too for just washing hands, and then the rest is for like washing dishes and everything as we go throughout the process.
Junior Taylor George believes the renovations will have a positive impact on campus.
Well, I think they're great. I think they improved a lot of the problems that they've had in the past in regards to organization as well as cleanliness. It also looks really trendy and chic, and I think it'll attract even more college students than it already has been. But I really like how it's uniform, and they still give you the option to go on a couch if you like one. But yeah, I like the color. I like its cohesiveness. I like it a lot.
This is Katerina Anderson with the Butler Collegian.